Clinton and I'm here today in LA with Fenty Beauty. I am so excited to be here. We're going to the Soft Lit event tonight and I'm about to get glammed. I'm about to not look like this. I honestly have just woken up. I had one too many cocktails last night, but I'm so excited to be here. I want to come show you. Come with me. Stunning. I have my very own chair. This is where I'm sitting and this is where my face is going to be transformed. I like not to. I love it when it's in the creases in there. Do you know what I mean? Like that, like when it's siren eye. Oh my god, I love this product. Is this the lip mask? I'm going to use a lot of product on these big lips. They take a lot.
Is your favorite Fenty product?
My favorite Fenty product would probably be, I love the gloss bomb. I literally have a gloss bomb in every part of my car, my bathroom, every handbag. Like I have one everywhere just because I always use it. I also love the lip mask, the melon.
Kalahari melon. Yes.
Oh my god, I'm obsessed with it. I used it on the flight over here and my lips, I mean,
never felt better.
If they couldn't get plumper and more luscious and soft looking, I mean, this product. Tonight I'm wearing a little leather set. My mum actually said, Indy, oh my god, that's not enough fabric. And I'm like, Mum, it's fine. It's like a little leather bodice and a little, I mean, some would say a skirt, others would say it's like a belt. Oh my gosh. I'm really excited for tonight. It's going to be so much fun. Such a princess right now. Yeah, I don't want it to look like I have a nose. Like, I just want the nostrils.
Period.
Is it weird if I eat my eggs? Are you guys gonna be offended? Oh, they smell eggy. I'm looking good. We going crazy.
Soft lit. What is that vibe?
Soft lit to me is like soft, glowy. It kind of, for me, it sounds like a second skin. It's not too cakey, but it's also, as we've seen today, you can build it, you know? It's that foundation that you can just throw in your handbag and you just put on your face if you're just running some errands, or you can wear it out, you know? It's kind of like your everyday foundation, but it's also your glam foundation.
I'm most excited for tonight.
You know what, it's really cool because I obviously have 3 kids, so I don't leave my house much, and now I'm here in LA and I'm just excited to be with people and not speak baby babble all the time. I'm excited for the cocktails too, but maybe I shouldn't be because I'll regret that tomorrow. We are all done now. I look amazing if I don't say so myself, but we're gonna go get ready for the event now and I'll see you guys there. Soft Lit event. I am so excited to be here. We've just got our makeup done, the vibes are vibing, and it's going to be a great night. Lucky they're painted. So I don't know, they called it, oh, skee ball. I think it's skee ball. I don't know, I'm not going to win. Cheers guys, it's going to be a good event. Alright, it's time to bedazzle my Soft Lit. I bedazzled my Soft Lit, and it says milk. Let's go try Mina, come on. Oh my god! She's so fucking hot and she smells so good. Why does she smell so good? I can die a happy woman. I feel like I